What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to kind of talk about my little work schedule, being an intern here in Jacksonville, and kind of what that is like. So today you kind of saw a little bit of my morning routine, which is unfortunately not much of a morning routine. I wake up with enough time to get dressed and get a little bit of food, and then kind of hop right on the road and head to work. I've been packing my lunch though, so that's a big boy step that I've been making instead of eating out every day. So you guys may have seen that I was wearing a different outfit at the beginning of the video towards when I was leaving work. That was because I had court, and I'll cover that a little bit later in the video, but I was able to dress down a little bit more when I was working in the office because it's Friday. So being an intern in a law office. Officially graduated. I do have a bachelor's degree now, and I am a certified paralegal, but since I'm not on salary, I'm just still working as an intern. I haven't accepted any full-time or part-time position at this firm. Playing the field right now, kind of seeing what my next move is, so I'm just technically still an intern. Mostly at work, I do a lot of administrative stuff. You guys kind of saw me working a little bit, as some of you may know, in the law office, or really any office, or the work isn't really exciting at all in an office. So that's why I only added like 10 or 15 seconds worth of me kind of just typing, just so you guys can see like my little work area and kind of where I'm set up. Working in law, the coolest part is, obviously the cases that we work on, but unfortunately I'm not able to discuss, any of the details of any of those cases. Mostly I do administrative stuff, so, filing, calls, stuff like that. I file motions, I write motions, I edit motions, appeals, notices, any type of document, legal document at least, that you can think of. I usually touch it to some degree. I call witnesses, I make witness matrix, which is just like formatting all the witnesses and why they are either good or bad witnesses or what type of witness they are. I go to court. Occasionally I'll walk over to the state attorney's office, whether it's to pick something up or drop something off. Pretty much all the cases that we're working on, I look at some type of evidence at some point, and most importantly, I research and read. Those first like 5 things that I named really only culminate to equal about 25 or 30% of the work that I actually do. The other 75 to 70% of the work that I'm doing while I'm in the office is reading or just researching in general and summarizing the research and giving it to my attorney so that he can review it and kind of go back over it or highlight things or whatever he needs to do. And those are my main duties while I'm at work. So the cool thing about today was it was my first time going to federal court. It was just a plea hearing, so our client was either pleading guilty or not guilty, and it's in front of a magistrate judge who basically hears our plea and then writes a recommendation for the federal district judge on whether they should accept or deny the plea, and then, on goes the process, another hearing, so on and so on. But it was still cool. I did not realize how big the courtrooms were, how nice the courtrooms were. I mean, our tax dollars are definitely getting put to use. It's a really nice facility. Yeah, and we handle all types of cases at the state level, the federal level, and we also do a little bit of military crime as well. It's definitely interesting. So with COVID going on, it hasn't been as easy for me to really see as much as I want to in person. Attended plenty of hearings this summer, but I mean, all of them have been over Zoom just because, everything's pretty much shut down. So haven't really been able to see much in person. Today was really exciting. I was very happy with my ability to go to court today. So the 2 attorneys that I work for are both prior military JAGs. It's kind of cool because I come from a military family background. They're really cool guys, super educated, very compassionate to their clients, and just truly hard workers in general. Not only are they the best attorneys that I've seen, they also are just some of the best businessmen that I've encountered. Really grateful to be able to work with them this summer and for however long I continue to stay with the firm. But yeah, it's been really fun, and I've enjoyed all of it. I mean, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of what I do, in a day-to-day basis as an intern here in Jacksonville. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, obviously. Subscribe to my channel. Pretty new here. Just kind of starting to get going with a couple vlogs, and we'll kind of see where it takes me. So, peace.